Do you start your day feeling tired and achy? I've got just the thing. Join me for this 10-minute morning chair yoga practice where we'll breathe, release tension, improve circulation, and gently stretch your whole body so you'll feel more relaxed, refreshed, and ready for your day. And be sure to stick around until the end because I have a special gift for you to enjoy. But for now, go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this rejuvenating routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. With an inhale, lift your shoulders up towards your ears, and on your exhale, roll your shoulders back and down. Continue with these smooth, slow circles, feeling a gentle stretch through the top of your shoulders and neck, between your shoulder blades and the front of your shoulders as you roll. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, allowing any tension to melt away with each exhale. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your chair. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left. Continue moving at your own pace, keeping your core engaged, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while boosting your circulation. Release and return to center. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through both feet. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw opposite shoulder to knee. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your legs active, waking up the energy of your chest, shoulders, back, and legs. Pausing in upright, maintain your legs and place your right forearm to your right thigh. When you're ready, place your left hand to your left shoulder, keeping your left shoulder open to the sky, stretching across your chest. Continue here or adding movement. Inhale, reach your left arm back and open to the sky, and on your exhale, sweep across your body towards your right leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch across your chest, shoulder, upper back, and top arm. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. With your spine long and your core engaged, place your left forearm to your left thigh. When you're ready, place your right hand to your right shoulder, keeping your right shoulder open to the sky. Continue here or adding movement. Inhale, reach your right arm back and open to the sky. And on your exhale, sweep your right arm across your body towards your left leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, flowing at your own pace. Pausing, return to upright, moving into torso circles. Place your hands to your thighs with your fingertips pointing inward. With an inhale, gently circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing at your own pace, creating more space and ease through your shoulders, chest, spine, and legs. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you switch directions, gradually increasing your range of motion. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Begin to extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, making it as big or small as comfortable, increasing circulation through your lower body, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles, while creating more mobility in your joints. Pausing, draw your right knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Feel the circulation flowing through the top of your foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. When you're ready, begin to gently extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. As you practice this movement, keep your core engaged, helping to support your lower back, feeling your spine long, working to stay sitting upright without leaning back. Moving slowly and with control, squeezing and contracting through your quadriceps without locking your knee, swinging your leg, or using momentum. Pausing, draw your left knee in towards your chest, adding ankle rotations. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, moving through your own range of motion, creating more mobility and flexibility through your ankle and foot. Release and return to center, moving into seated sun salutations. With an inhale, sweep your arms overhead or as high as comfortable. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, gliding your hands down your legs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, lifting up and out of your waist. Exhale, hands to thighs, gently folding forward. With your core engaged, inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead, gathering up the energy. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer. Repeating this sequence once more. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to thighs, folding forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lift your heart to a flat back, opening your arms wide. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, arms sweep overhead. Exhale, hands to prayer and release, returning to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With your hands to your thighs, begin to gently twist from right to left, keeping your spine long with your navel back towards your spine, maintaining your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, re-energizing and nourishing your spine. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, gently arch your back, lifting through your chest, looking slightly up. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest and your navel back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of your shoulders as you open, in the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today. Placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.